Hi there everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope that you're all okay. To all the family members and subscribers, thank you for being here. I appreciate you all. Please keep those comments coming and please keep hitting that like button. Right folks, another taste test today, and this one is the Youngs Gastro restaurant inspired fish. This is a signature breaded smoked haddock with mozzarella and cheddar for fish cakes. Chunky. Our gastro range is the best way to create your own restaurant experience at home. Try serving these smoked haddock, mozzarella and cheddar fish cakes with rocket and watercress salad and tomato vinaigrette. They take 28 minutes to cook in the oven, 200 degrees. Your ingredients are smoked haddock 20%, haddock 98%, salt, colours, curcumin, paprika extract, water, calcium carbonate, iron, niacin, thiamine, cooked potato, Alaskan pollock 13%, rapeseed oil, mozzarella cheese 5%, cream milk, dried potato, cheddar cheese 2%, starch, lemon juice, parsley, sea salt, mustard, flour, yeast, salt, raising agents, disodium diphosphate, sodium bicarbonate, dextrose, sunflower oil, yeast extract and white pepper. And I'm just in time again for the refuse collection personnel to be emptying the bins. There we go folks. Nutritional information is there should you wish to stop the video and take a look. And you'll have noticed on the front that this product is perfect for air frying, which unfortunately I didn't do, and I need to slap myself for that. Right folks, here's the box. And that's what they look like. You do get 4 in the box, and I believe these were £4, like £1 each in Iceland. It's down to the taste test as always. What will they be like? I've not been let down yet by Youngs, so I'm hoping that this will continue in the same vein. I really am. It's a little. I do apologise about the noise outside, but nothing I can do about it. That's what it looks like on the inside, folks. I'm going to try it without anything like salt and vinegar or whatever. Give it a go. That's one hottie thing. I've got to be honest, the flavours are lovely. The coating on the outside is really nice, it's got a nice crunch to it, it's perfectly seasoned. The smoked haddock inside is, if you like smoked haddock, you'll really like these. Maybe get a little bit of vinegar and salt, folks. See what it's like with that. It's nice enough on its own. It really is. But that addition of salt and vinegar there has just lifted it again to another level. Would I buy this again? I would. I suppose at the price you can get them cheaper. But you can't always guarantee the quality. And as I say, I've never had an issue with Youngs. They've always been very good. The cheese in the middle works well. For me personally, there's nothing not to like about them. I can recommend them, and as a score I shall certainly give them 8 out of 10. Very, very nice indeed. And fish cakes are one of them things, aren't they, that you don't have often, but when you do you think, wow, that were good. Right everyone, I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen. If you have, please hit that like button, leave a comment in the box below, hit the bell icon for any future uploads, and please consider subscribing to the channel. Won't cost you a penny, helps the channel grow and we become part of that bigger community. So as always, I will say to you all, Namaste. Have a wonderful Thursday everyone. Bye for now. Bye.